Okay, so 5.NBT.3. This one's pretty straightforward. You've probably been doing this actual skill for years, and really the only thing new to this is how far we've come with it. Now, reading, writing, and comparing decimals is something you've done for a while. I guess specifically 4th grade, but reading and writing and comparing numbers like 23 and 20, which one's bigger? This one. So using these symbols, that's nothing new. In 4th grade, however, because I mean 3rd grade you're doing this, 323 and 332, 233 I guess, yeah. Which one's bigger? This one. So this idea of comparing numbers, that's not new. With single digits, double digits, 3rd grade, 3 digits. But then in 4th grade they started to introduce numbers like tenths, so 2.1, and hundredths even, 2.01. Which one's bigger? This one is. 2.1, 2 and 1/10 is larger than 2 and 1/100. So you should have a foundation in 4th grade. But in 5th grade, what they do is they introduce 2 and 1/100 and 2 and 1,000ths to the 1,000th place. And that's where things start to get a little more challenging. Depending on how well you learned the skill in 4th grade, expanding to the 1,000th place might be more challenging. Now, if you look at these substandards, A and B, if you look at exactly what they're asking for, you'll notice terms like base 10, number names, and expanded form. Very quickly. And again, you should know these already. The difference between a base 10 numerals, which base 10 is essentially just this number, 352.1. Cool? It's just the base 10 numerals. Well, the number names, you have to learn how to write these. So 300 is this place. 50 is this place. 52 specifically, and is how you refer to the decimal, and then this place, 1/10. Knowing how to read and write these decimals, that's nothing new, it's just taking it to another level of decimal place is really what 5th grade is doing. So this is not the most difficult standard depending on the development from earlier grade levels. And again, its expanded form would be 300 plus 50 plus 2 plus 1/10. So there really isn't much more to this, except now we're taking numbers like 35.212 and comparing it to 35.221. And so learning just like you always have, comparing the largest numbers first. 30 is the same as 30. 5 is the same as 5. 2/10 is the same as 2/10. 1/100 is less than 2/100. So this would automatically be your answer no matter what. So that concept isn't new. 5.NBT.3 is definitely one of the easiest standards for 5th grade if you have the foundation from 4th and 3rd and 2nd grade in comparing strategies for in comparing numbers and strategies for comparing largest to smallest. And that's it for 5.NBT.3.